Yes, Tesla stock is flying today as it has triggered a short-term bullish reversal structure. It is now supposed to seek higher levels. However, this is a very dangerous situation. You see, despite the short-term bullish momentum, Tesla is still bearish and has yet to break through its main resistances. Therefore, this move could just be a trap, a dead cat bounce before the next drop. Could Tesla frustrate this bearish thesis? Sure, and there are some promising support levels that could hold the stock prices. However, we must see the right reactions, the right patterns at the right time. We're gonna talk about this in a few minutes. Let's start our technical analysis on Tesla stock. My name is Nathan and you are welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. So let's start our analysis looking at the 1 hour chart. In the 1 hour chart, Tesla was trapped inside a descending channel between these two parallel lines that were working as support and resistance levels on Tesla. Today, we did an upwards breakout from this descending channel. What's more, we broke the 21 EMA in the 1 hour chart, meaning right now we see a dual support level made by the 21 EMA and by this purple trend line over here. So if Tesla triggers a pullback, it could correct to this dual support level, and this is it. Right now, the bias is bullish. It did trigger a bullish reversal structure, and any pullback over here might indicate that Tesla is just doing a pullback before the next bullish leg. This is short-term wise. What is the problem with this bullish thesis? Well, the problem is that in the daily chart, Tesla is still bearish. Tesla recently triggered this head and shoulders chart pattern over here by losing the neckline at 187, and right now we hit the 38.2% Fibonacci's retracement. Now we are trying to bounce to the next resistance level, which is the 187 level again. The 187 was previously a support level on Tesla. Right now it is supposed to work as a resistance level according to the principle of polarity in technical analysis. What's more, the 21 EMA is also there working as a resistance level again. So yes, what we have here is a dual resistance level. So this bullish momentum over here in the 1 hour chart might be just a sign that Tesla triggered its pullback in the daily chart after triggering a head and shoulders chart pattern. And this movement is totally expected because according to Thomas Bulkovsk, after a head and shoulders gets triggered, it has roughly 68% chances of triggering a pullback. See Thomas Bulkovsk on head and shoulders top, thepatternsight.com. After we see a breakout of this head and shoulders, according to Bulkovsk, a pullback rate is of 68%. The above numbers are based on more than 2,800 perfect trades. So yes, Tesla is likely to trigger a pullback. So what is necessarily a pullback, Nathan? Well, after the breakout of a neckline, the odds are that we're gonna see a bounce to higher levels. That's the pullback that Thomas Bulkovsk talks about in his website. So yes, right now Tesla is triggering a pullback. And again, the problem is that we have a dual resistance level over here around 187. In order for Tesla trigger a more impressive bullish reaction, we gotta break this dual resistance level over here. Otherwise, since the momentum is bearish, since the trend is bearish, since we triggered a head and shoulders chart pattern, the odds are that Tesla will just bounce again to higher levels to continue the bearish sentiment over here until it seeks until it hits the 50% or even the 61.8% Fibonacci's retracement again. And these are our main support levels for now, the retracements, especially the 61.8% because it is a gap area in the daily chart as well. It is the earnings gap. So the the 61.8% at 145 is a quite important and relevant support level. In my humble opinion, if Tesla does any meaningful bullish reaction in this area, it would be just a very interesting opportunity to buy. And of course, if you want to trade with me and keep in touch with premium analysis, sign up now to my newsletters so you can take advantage of our exclusive trading approach. Take a look at our website, link in the description of this video. Okay, yes, Tesla is right now bouncing as it is supposed to do. Yesterday it did a very good bullish candlestick pattern. Today we see a continuation of this move. However, we are still inside a trap zone between the key support at the first retracement and this dual resistance level over here. As long as Tesla remains trapped inside this area, it is going to be quite difficult to say, oh, Tesla is gonna go up, oh, Tesla is gonna drop more. No, right now we are in a no man's land, but in theory, the bias is bearish. So Tesla has more chances of dropping than actually going up in this scenario. So let's wait for more confirmation. Let's see how Tesla is going to react around this dual resistance level over here. Of course, I'm gonna keep you guys updated every single day on this. So if you're still not my subscriber, come on, subscribe to this channel. Click on the like button to support me, keep in touch with my daily analysis, daily insights on Tesla and on other stocks. Thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. Stay safe. Bye bye.